Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna be showing you how to make avocado oil from your kitchen. If you're new to this channel, kindly consider subscribing to this channel, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for your love and support, and I hope you share my content with your friends and families and your loved ones. Avocado oil is very important for the hair. It acts as, a detangling agent. If your hair is very hard and it looks tangled, you can use avocado oil to detangle it. Avocado oil also improves blood flow on your scalp. It improves blood circulation on the scalp when you properly massage the oil on the scalp. Avocado oil also helps to improve hair growth. Yes, when used over time. I cannot promise you overnight hair growth, but you can be consistent on using avocado oil in combination with other hair products to improve the results you intend to see on your hair growth journey. Alright, I personally use this avocado oil on myself and my daughter. Another thing is you want to make sure you mash the avocado in a saucepan, and I'll be using olive oil. Some say olive oil is not good for their scalp. Some prefer to use coconut oil or jojoba oil or even almond oil. Whichever oil that works well with your scalp, you can use that oil that works well with your scalp. So I just added olive oil, and you can see how I am mixing the mixture together to ensure that my olive oil is completely infused in the avocado. And this avocado oil can be made in different ways. There is no one particular way of making this avocado oil, but I feel this is the best way for me, the one that works for me. So I'm also adding more olive oil just to make sure that it completely goes over the avocado. Yes, that the reason being that I want the quantity of what I'm making to be more. Yeah, so depending on what you want to make, you can decide to add more olive oil or whichever oil you're using, or you can decide to add few, and in that way you'll make sure that your avocado is not as much as what I'm using here. All right everyone, I hope you continue to enjoy the video. If you do, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you've not subscribed to my channel, and leave me a comment in the comment section. And if you are on the journey of growing your hair, I feel this is the best way to start out, and you can leave me a comment in the comment section. All right, after I've added all the olive oil that I want, the next thing I want to do is to heat it up a little bit. Yes, just to heat it up and make sure that the avocado, releases its content, the essential content in the avocado. That is what we want in our oil. We want the essential ingredients in the avocado to be infused in the oil. So we're gonna be heating this mixture right now in on a stove. All right, come along with me. All right everyone, that is our avocado oil on the stove, and I just allowed it to steam up for about 3 to 5 minutes, and I'm using that filter to collect the avocado extract from the oil. And well, I'm keeping that avocado extract for some other use. And that is our oil, and I'm gonna be doing a second filtering using the sieve cloth You can use whatever thing you find just to collect the remnant. The remnant, the residue remaining in the oil. All right, so I'm gonna be pouring the avocado oil into the can, as you can see. All right, everyone, here is our pure avocado oil. I love essential oils. It is completely optional. You can decide to add or not. The first essential oil there is the lavender. Just add 3 drops of lavender essential oil, and I'm also going to be using eucalyptus essential oil. Also few drops. It could be 1 or 2 or 3 drops. It soothes the scalp. It gives this wonderful soothing on the scalp. And I'm also going to be adding orange essential oil. All right, everyone, this avocado oil is my own kitchen avocado oil. It smells nice. It smells good, I tell you. It's so amazing. And the next thing I'm going to be doing here is to show you how to apply this avocado oil on your hair. All right, come along with me to the next phase of this video. Here is my hair conditioner. It's Cantu hair conditioner. Because I'm working on a toddler's hair, their hair is kind of soft, the scalp are soft, so the scalps are soft, so you want to make sure you use a mild conditioner. And the next thing that is herbal hair butter. If you want to know how to make this herbal hair butter, the link will be on the description of this video. All right, those are the ingredients I use on my daughter's hair and mine as well. And here is our avocado oil. I just few quantity of the avocado oil, and I'm gonna be massaging it on the hair. And this is the hair we made from today's tutorial. I hope you love it. If you want to know how to make this yarn braid, the link will be on the description of this video. All right, thank you for watching. See you again next time. Bye.